Hey guys, in today's video, I just quickly want to show you how to upload YouTube Shorts from your PC or Mac. The process is pretty easy, so let's just get started. Alright, so right off the bat, I'll just keep it really simple. If you already know how to upload normal long-form videos to YouTube, it's the exact same process for Shorts, except for two things. Number one, the video has to be 60 seconds or less. And number two, the video has to be in either a 1080 by 1080 resolution or a 1080 by 1920 resolution, aka either as a box or a regular vertical form video. But besides those two steps, there are also a couple other very important things to know when uploading a YouTube short. So let's just go through the full process. Alright, so to get started with uploading your short, what you need to do is in the top right corner, you want to click on the camera with the plus sign on it, and then click on upload video. Then once you make it to this page, you want to go and select your file from your computer. Alright, so I just went ahead and selected a file from my computer that I edited in DaVinci Resolve so it could fit the size of a short. And if you want to make sure and confirm that your video is being uploaded as a short, you can see right here under the video player, you can see in the link it says youtube.com/shorts. So to get started, you just want to add a title and description like you would on a normal YouTube video. This is just a little Valorant clip that I got, so in the title I'll just say, I don't know, Valorant, and the description I'll just put Valorant gameplay. But the one thing that's important about YouTube Shorts that YouTube does recommend that you do is in either the title or description, you add #shorts. Adding this will actually help YouTube recommend your shorts to other people's feeds. Another thing that's different about YouTube Shorts and regular long-form videos is that right now YouTube will not allow you to make your own custom thumbnails for Shorts. YouTube's currently working on a system which will allow you to scan through your whole video and select a specific frame that you would like to make your thumbnail. But for the moment, that system is only available on Android. And right now I'm recording this video at the end of 2022. By the time you're watching this, you might be able to add your own custom thumbnail. But for now, I think YouTube just selects a random point in the video to make your thumbnail. And now from this point on, you pretty much upload this short like you're uploading a normal YouTube video. If you want to add your short to a playlist, you can go ahead and do that. You want to make sure that you say whether this short is made for kids or not. That is required. You can also add your tags, and you can add all this other stuff if you'd like. Next, we move on to the Video Elements tab where you can select whether you want to add a end screen or a video card. Next, we'll move on to Checks where it'll tell you if you have any copyrighted content. And then finally, we end with Visibility where you can select whether you want to make your video private, unlisted, public, or you can select a specific time you want to make your video public. Then once you're all done with that, you can just click Save to finish. If you have any questions, just let me know down in the comments, and if this video helped you, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated.